These attachments are designed to turn trees, logs, shrubs and other vegetation into mulch. They can easily handle difficult tasks. They use a gear rotor that spins at high speed to turn it into mulch. The mulched material can then be left on the ground to decompose and improve the health of the soil. Hydraulic wood shear and splitter. This machine in the video of the YouTube channel named Gary M has a great design. The wood processor with hydraulic shears and splitters can do the job quickly and practically. Those who are engaged in firewood cutting will like this machine. Iron Baltic log haulers for ATVs and UTVs. This equipment helps to transport logs without harming the environment and keeps logs clean. The COMAFRST 200 wood lathe is a machine used to turn wooden logs into various shapes. It is used in wood carving, furniture making, toy making and many other applications. This type of lathe is suitable for larger-sized billets and is generally used for professional purposes. A wood debarker is a machine used in the lumber and pulpwood industry to remove the bark from logs. There are several different types of wood peelers. This is suitable for stripping freshly cut soft wood and some broad-leaved wood. stroke harvester and firewood processor. Narva S23 is light, simple and affordable. It can be installed on tractors and small excavators. It has the functions of felling trees, pruning them and splitting firewood directly. A saw line for large-scale production. Q-Saw SL 253.3 is the most diverse and flexible model among similar products. It is a saw line with all modern features. The structure and automation of the line facilitate efficient sawing with a high lumber recovery factor. These saw lines can process logs with diameters between 80 and 420 mm at the upper end and up to 550 mm at the wide end. The Cord King Firewood Processor is a machine designed to significantly increase firewood production efficiency. Featuring a 16-way box wedge, this Cord King has a thrust of 42 tons. This machine also reduces dust and debris in your firewood, providing a more enjoyable burning experience. The Stihl 070 is a powerful chainsaw with a long blade, making it suitable for lumber cutting. However, its weight and power can be challenging for beginners. As you can see, with the Stihl 070 you can produce lumber efficiently. FBC is a well-established Italian manufacturer of forestry equipment, particularly known for their wood chippers. This machine you see is ideal for shredding branches and other garden waste. FBC chippers are designed to deliver efficient chipping.